They say he might, couple category he may fall into. He has autism. And I was so shocked. What is that? I heard the word, but never get involved. So I was really upset and did some research. And after you find it, the more you find out, the more you get upset. Why is my family got nobody like that before? How come we got it now? What's wrong with us? That's why our question come up, and we went to so many different organizations to search for help.